Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how a packing list can be made through Swipe. So I will tell you what is a packing list. A packing list is an important export document that provides the exporter or the international customer with required details about the contents of the shipment being exported from India. So we can see how can it be made. First click on create invoice. Then we can add a customer. There is an export button over here. Click on that. Then add the customer. I will select a customer. And now we can add the export type, the country of supply, and we can select the shipping bill date, shipping bill number, and the conversion rate depending upon the current exchange rates. You can select a product, add the required quantity, click on add to bill. Now I'm selecting few products because we want to showcase how a different kind of products will be shown in the packing list. So now 3 products are selected. So we are clicking save. That's it. So an export bill is made. So now from the export bill, we will see how a packing list can be made. Click on view. So this is the basic export bill. Now we are clicking on the more section. There is the create packing list button. Click on that. Now from this export bill, we are creating a packing list. So there is another option called vessel aircraft. Voyage number is also there. You can select the voyage number, the part of loading, port of discharge. So there are additional requirements other than that can be seen in the export bills. So you can fill it up. And also you will be seeing the product name and the quantity that is fetched from the export bill. So there is an option to add the country or final destination also. There is an option to add the number of packages. You can add the number of packages, and from there you can add the net weight of the whole package. And there is an option of adding the gross weight also of the whole container in which it is shipped. And you can also add the measurements. That's it. And once these details are added, you can save. So we can see our packing list. Yes, this is the packing list. You can download it and you can share it with your exporter. That's it. Thank you.